Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add other experiences in your Upwork profile. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. This right here is the interface. Well, do note from here you can search for jobs, promote your profile with ads and everything. But right now, we're only gonna look at how to add other experiences. At the top right, you'll see your profile picture. Just click on it, and this will open up right from there. Well, here are lots of settings like your profile and everything. Well, we do need to go to our profile, so let's simply click on this button right here. Once you're in your profile section, well, simply scroll down. Though there are lots of things you can play around, we only want to add something called as other experiences. Right next to other experiences, you will see a plus icon right here. Just click on it, and something like this will pop up right from there. Just enter the subject and the description. I'm gonna enter both of them. And once you're satisfied with everything, what you need to do is simply hit on save. And guys, that's it. That's how we had other experiences in your Upwork profile. And guys, that's the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.